Today we are going to learn about animals. Wild animals and domestic animals. Let's start. Wild animals. Lion, lion. Tiger, tiger. Elephant, elephant. Monkey, monkey. Bear, bear. Zebra, zebra. Deer, deer. Jackal, jackal. Fox, fox. Wolf, wolf. Cheetah, cheetah. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Giraffe, giraffe. Panda, panda. Rhinoceros, rhinoceros. Hippopotamus, hippopotamus. Let's recap this again. Lion, tiger, elephant, monkey, bear, zebra, deer, jackal, fox, wolf, cheetah, kangaroo, giraffe, panda, rhinoceros, hippopotamus. Domestic animals. Cat, cat. Dog, dog. Cow, cow. Rabbit, rabbit. Sheep, sheep. Goat, goat. Donkey, donkey. Horse, horse. Pig, pig. Duck, duck. Hen, hen. Goose, goose. These are some domestic animals. Let's revise this again. Cat, dog, cow, rabbit, sheep, goat, donkey, horse, pig, duck, hen, goose. Let's learn colors. Can you see this beautiful garden? But did you notice that this garden has no colors? Shall we see how this beautiful garden is going to get colors? The old tree in the garden once asked the butterflies, "Butterflies, butterflies, can you bring us the colors from the next garden?" Butterflies agreed and flew to the next garden. They saw some ball pools filled with colored balls. One of the butterfly suddenly fell into the pool, but when he came up, he turned into the color red. After seeing this, all the butterflies jumped into the pool. Now they all changed into colorful butterflies. Purple, yellow, pink, blue, green, brown, orange. Happily they returned to the black and white garden and made the garden colorful. Green, blue, brown, yellow, pink, purple, red, orange. Let's repeat the colors. Red, red, orange, orange, blue, blue, green, green, pink, pink, yellow, yellow, purple, purple, brown, brown. Shapes. Jack and Jerry are good friends. One day, Jack bought a new robot toy. But he didn't know how to assemble the robot. So, he called his friend Jerry for help. Jerry came to Jack's house. He started to read the instruction manual. Jack assembled the robot. Jack used the big circle as his head and small circles for his eyes. What is circle? It looks round. Example, a cookie. Yes, I got it. Next, place the square for the body of the robot. It has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. It looks like a bread slice. Yes, I found it. Now, place the hands and legs with the rectangle. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. Opposite sides are equal. Do you want a clue? It looks like your favorite chocolate bar. Here it is. Place the oval for the mouth, ears, feet and palms. An oval is like a circle but stretched. Did you find that? Here's the clue. It looks like an egg. Yes. Now our robot is ready. But something is missing. A hat. And for that, we will place a triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. It looks like a slice of a pizza. Yes, we did it! Now we assembled the robot and learned the shapes. Let's revise the shapes. Circle, circle, square, square, rectangle, rectangle, triangle, triangle, oval, oval. Can you find the shapes? Look at the objects and find out the shapes. Square, rectangle, circle, triangle, oval. Flowers. She is Mia. She was walking through a garden with her pets Kitty and Witty. Suddenly, Witty jumped into the garden. Mia went inside and searched for Witty. A monkey helped her to find Witty. There she saw some beautiful flowers. She wanted to know about those flowers. At that time, a gardener came and asked, Mia, why are you standing here? Mia said, can you please tell me about these flowers? Gardener started to explain about the flowers. This is a rose. It has an attractive mild fragrance. And also roses are in many colors. This is jasmine. Jasmine is a small white flower. It is famous for its strong fragrance. These flowers are used to make garlands. This is a lotus. Lotus is an aquatic flower. Lotus flowers are white and pink in color. Leaves of the lotus floats on the water. This is a water lily. This is also a water flower. Water lilies grow in ponds and lakes. The leaves of lily plants are called lily pads. This is a sunflower. Sunflower has bright yellow petals. It always faces the sun. We get sunflower oil from the seeds of the sunflower. This is a marigold. It comes in bright yellow and orange colors. Marigold is used for decoration during festivals. These flowers are used for making perfumes and dyes. This is a tulip. Tulips are cup-shaped, bright-colored flowers. It has long stems. It is popularly used for decorations. This is a dahlia. Dahlias are a common garden flowers. It has beautiful layered petals. Most of the dahlias are fragrance-free. This is a hibiscus. Hibiscus are large round-shaped flowers. It comes in different colors. It has 5 or more petals. It grows in a small tree. This is a daffodil. Daffodil flower consists of different types of petals. It has bell-shaped crown on its center. It makes daffodil unique from many other flowers. Okay, chutties? We learnt about flowers. Let's revise that. Rose, rose. Jasmine, jasmine. Lotus, lotus. Water lily, water lily. Sunflower, sunflower. Marigold, marigold. Tulip, tulip. Dahlia, dahlia. Hibiscus, hibiscus. Daffodil, daffodil. Let's learn the name of the vegetables. Onion, onion. Tomato, tomato. Potato, potato. Brinjal, brinjal. Carrot, carrot. Cucumber, cucumber. Capsicum, capsicum. Cabbage, cabbage. Beans, beans. Beetroot, beetroot. Okra, okra. Green chilli, green chilli. Bitter gourd, bitter gourd. Bottle gourd, bottle gourd. Let's learn about the fruits. It was a classroom full of fruits. There, fruits were quarreling with each other. Apple said, "I am the best." Banana said, "No, no, I am the best." The watermelon said, "I am the biggest fruit here, so I am the best." That time, Tina ma'am entered the class. "Stop, stop, stop. Why are you shouting like this? First, introduce yourself. Then I will say who is the best." Apple came front and said, "I am an apple. I am red in color. I have few seeds. There is a saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away." "I am a mango. I have one large seed, but people call me the king of the fruits." "I am an orange. I am a juicy fruit. I have few seeds." "I am a banana. I am yellow in color. I have no seeds. Kids like me very much." "We are grapes. We are the smallest fruits here, and we are always together." "I am a pomegranate. I am filled with red shiny seeds. I am hard outside but juicy and sweet inside." "I am a papaya. I am yellow in color. I have many black seeds inside. I am good for your eyes. I am a pineapple. On the outside, I look tough, but I am sweet and juicy inside. I am a watermelon. I am the biggest fruit here. I am oval in shape and I have many seeds. Well done, fruits. You all have your own qualities, so all are best. We learned some fruits, right? Let's revise that. Apple, apple, orange, orange, mango, mango, banana, banana, grapes, grapes, pomegranate, pomegranate, papaya, papaya, pineapple, pineapple, watermelon, watermelon. If you like this video, press the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.